This is a 1999 Ford Lightning, and to catch you up to speed, it's got a 7.3-liter Godzilla motor with a Pro Charger, and we started to build the full custom audio setup in the last video. Today we're going to do a few mechanical upgrades and a few cosmetic ones. Let me show you.
All right, here we are with our 99 Ford Lightning, and we are fabricating a new charge pipe from the intercooler to the intake. As you can see, the throttle body is removed. Our charge pipe itself is at the fabricators, currently being fabricated, and when we get it back, we're going to have a whole new look for this charge pipe that's going to really clean up the engine bay. All right, we're back. We got our charge pipe back. We got the charge pipe painted a nice deep black, and we have our throttle body, our blow-up valve, and our clamp. So what we have here is a newly fabricated charge pipe that's going to enhance not only the look, but the performance of our Ford Lightning here. We have our blow-up valve that comes from Pro Charger. We have the OEM throttle body, fly-by-wire, and we have our clamp. So as you can see, this charge pipe is pretty detailed and pretty routed, you know, to fit perfect within our engine compartment. This is the part that goes to the throttle body. This is our bracket to hold it in place, and this of course is going to come from our intercooler on the bottom. So what we're going to do, first step is we're going to place the throttle body in position. We can't bolt it down yet because we can't bolt it down until we get the charge pipe in place that has the adapter that actually allows us to bolt the throttle body to the intake. All right, so what I have here is I have the throttle body, I have the bolts, I have the spacers, I got my Allen wrench for the bolts, and then I have some alcohol. Alcohol, you may ask why. Alcohol is so I can slip the charge pipe into the silicone hose nice and easy. All right, you always want to use something that doesn't leave a residue when you put these charge pipes onto the silicone hoses. It's important. Always use either brake clean, which does not leave a residue, or 70% isopropyl alcohol. Let's get this puppy in place, and let's pick it up. Let's get it in there. It has a dowel pin on the back that's going to line it up. We're just going to simply go over to the intake here, and we're going to pop it in place.
Next up on the list is getting rid of a nasty scratch in the rear quarter panel. It was right above the wheel and unfortunately all the way down to the metal. We wanted to fix this properly, so we decided to repaint the entire panel. finish off with the cosmetic changes on this truck, we decided to powder coat all 4 wheels in a nice high gloss black to match that intake pipe, and powder coat the exhaust tips a flat black. We also laser etched our Scottsdale Restorations logo right into the center caps on these wheels. Check it out. And that's the intake pipe built under the hood. I think it came out really sweet. It matches all the rest of the black accents underneath the hood and those black wheels, those deep dish ones in the rear. Chef's kiss. I love it. So stay tuned for next week because we're going to be building out the entire sub box and the amp rack behind those seats in the next episode. We'll see you then.